How do you make this work?
There you go.
Are we live?
No, because it counts down.
Oh, that's right. We get a countdown, don't we? Well, it says we're live.
Oh.
We're really not very good at using this, obviously. We didn't get a countdown this time.
Oh, evidently.
Well, I guess we're live. We're going to hope this is working.
Yeah.
Okay, well, here we are, we think. We don't know. We're trying something new here, you know, so we can stay close to our fireplace so Jeannie can be in the thing with me.
Yes.
Well, since we're going to get snow next week, we don't know what next week's going to look like. We had some boxes come in. We thought, well, we at least look and see what's in there. We don't want to wait till next week. So let's see what's going on. This one's from, I don't know. It doesn't say. So it'll be a surprise. I don't even know for sure what's in here. Let's take a peek. We really look professional on our live videos, do we not? Yeah, like, we know what we're doing here on the
I'm going
computer.
to step out for a minute.
Okay, all right. Where are you going, Jeannie?
Dad.
Oh, your dad. Oh, elderly. I don't have that problem anymore. Okay, this is new yarn that we just got in from Juniper Moon Farm. I remember that. We ordered a bunch, and it looks like we just got a couple of skeins. This is Cumulus Rainbow. See, it's kind of rainbow-like. Isn't that pretty? Let's see what other colors we got. We got this. And let's see what's in here. Oh, that's nice too. Like I said, we just got 2 colors. We've got more coming. This is just kind of the early arrivals. I think the other colors we ordered are new and they're not out yet. And let's see what's in here. Sorry. That's okay. They always send us some free patterns too.
Cool.
They just sent us 1 free pattern. Is there more in there? I thought we got more than 1.
I thought so too.
This kind of shows you. It's really pretty. I thought I had 2 in there. What else is in here? Let's look and see. Ha ha! And a shawl. They've got some new patterns coming out for spring that I like even better than these. So we'll look forward to more of this coming
Those are
in.
pretty.
It's kind of like the early preview. And then we got a Katia book. Well, that'll wind up in somebody's prize package one day. We get all sorts of strange things. All right, now what do I do with the box knife? Oh, there it is. Okay, next up, let's see. As you can see, we're not venturing too far from our new fireplace because it is so cold.
Nice.
It is very nice.
It is.
Okay, let's see. This is Manos, I'm pretty sure. Sorry, this was coming today. I think this is our stuff that was on back order from our initial order. Another color of Cabrito. I think I ordered.
Is that?
What did we get in?
Oh, that's butternut. We've had that.
Oh no, these aren't new things. This is just a reorder. More butternut. We have been selling so many of the Yésica shawls that we needed to get more. So this one, isn't that color pretty?
Mm-hmm.
That's gorgeous. And then a whole bunch more of the minis that go with it.
Cool.
This is the mini skeins that go with the Yésica shawl. Here, do I have the pattern? I don't think I do. Let me look. Yes, the Yésica wrap right here. We've been selling this like crazy. See, it's the wrap. Here's a picture of her with the horse. Nice looking horse. Yeah, but that's what this is for. We've been selling out of that. So we have more of the Fino mini skein packs, the Fino, and another. Aren't these cool how these come? This is a Gradiente. Show you there. There's the scarf. And it's lace weight, but the way they do it, it's knit with lots of strands held together on a big needle. So it's really not a big project at all. It's knit lengthwise, and I think it's like on a 11. It's a pretty good, a big needle. Very long. And it's for Monday we don't